Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to log in to multiple Gmail accounts on PC and laptop. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is click on your profile picture. This is located on the top right corner of the Gmail window. Then click on Add Account. This will open a pop-up window. Enter the email address of the Gmail account you want to add. Now enter the password for the Gmail account you want to add. Click on Next and finally review the information and click on Add Account. Your Gmail account will now be added to your computer. You can switch between accounts by clicking on your profile picture and selecting the account you want to use. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.